Rob here with This Just In. Here we got a big boy for you today. 2024 Chevy Silverado 3/4 ton. Got the 6.6 liter with the Allison transmission. This has got the blackout package with the black emblems. It's got the leather package. Now this hasn't been detailed. Got some dirty floor mats, but pretty darn clean. 126,000 miles, one owner, no accidents, guys. Check it out, $37,995. Got the split tailgate, the advanced trailer tow package, rear slider. Come and get it. 1667 West 4th Street, Ontario, Ohio, where everyone rides.